what another way to call a cat a kid. It's 5 little letters that I'm missing, yeah. You get it on occasion after other parties and came in. Seems I gotta start to explain. What's it? You ever had a girl and met her on a nice hello? You gotta leave my number to the film of mellow. You get home waiting, they just what you wanna know about. You pull up in this a girl's or a brother's house. It's not a front and after the alternate to the seat. It's just a purpose at a house. It's watching Jerry. It's only beats up other people so you get it. It's over from relationships to this one to hit it. How many brothers out there notice what I'm kidding at? Who think it's wrong cause I was laying they coherent? Well if you do that's all we being in and out with it. What if you don't hit your membership? You know what OPP? You know what OPP? You know what OPP? What's that with OPP? You know what OPP? You know what OPP? You know what OPP? Where the ladies? Where the ladies? And where the ladies? OPP means something gifted. The first one letter same, but the last is something different. It's a longer, roughly it's link. I call it the meanness. It's another one that I'm rubbing with. Cleanest of meanness. I'm walking in and out and do it all set up properly. I say the last P. Says a property. Now lady, here comes a kiss. Blow a kiss back to me. Now tell me that. Have you ever known a brother wed another like a girl or white? And you just had this up on toast and see look just at night. You looked at him, he looked at you and you knew right away. He asked someone but he was gonna be yours anyway. You must be seen with him and all I say you didn't care. Cause then I'm behind the door. When y'all finish, y'all can leave it only y'all know. And y'all can throw that skeleton man in the closet though. That'll be shockers every day and I want your hands up high. C-O-P-P. All I can say was pride. No way you never do it while it makes it out of count. You're down there with a discount. You're there with OPP.
And you know me.
You're there with OPP.
And you know me.
You're there with OPP. Who's there with OPP? You're there with OPP.
And you know me.
You're there with OPP. You're there with OPP. Check it out. It's over from relationships. It's this one to him.